house tour. There's the dining room. There's not going to be much of a dining room. My Hoosier cabinet's going to go up against that wall, and the kitchen will go right there. We're not even going to have a dining room table. No room for it. We'll have like an island, and I'll put some chairs. That's my pantry, very, very tiny pantry. This is the living room. There's the front door. It's not the door I wanted. That's the door they're making me get. Little closet. Little closet. Bedroom number 1. Let's see. Guest bathroom. Laundry room. Craft room. Perhaps I may take it down to the basement. And I told Mike I didn't want any doors there because I want to put shelves up there to put all my stuff, you know. And he said, oh no, we gotta have doors. So, or I might be taking the doors down. Don't tell Mike. And then we come this way. This way. See, you can tell where I've cleaned the floor and what hasn't been done. The master bedroom, the master bedroom, I run out of suction power. The vacuum cleaner got plugged up. So, I was vacuuming all the drywall dust. It was thick because I don't trust they will do it. Okay, so this is going to be the master bedroom. It's so tiny compared to our Georgia bedroom. And then this is our bathroom. What's there? Little closet, and then toilet. It'll have a double vanity. And then the closet. So, I'm not going to go down into the basement because there could be someone down there because there's no door down there. And it's down there. Anyways, just in the garage. 2-car garage. So, I will get a picture of the front. Hold on, it's got all the siding on. Here's the front of the house. I'm gonna try to make it look like a farmhouse. Let's go around to the side. I'm hot. That's the neighborhood. Well, just part of it. Over around in there is a lot prettier. That's it. Bye.